Hi, my name is Anna Hatfield, and this is part 2 to my video of week 2 for Bio225, Los Angeles Pacific University. And this is culturing of microbes in broth. After 48 hours, these are the results. I have here the Cerevisiae, and it appears to be very clouded with a slight growth, flocculent growth at the bottom. You can see it. Yeah. It's actually really, really cloudy compared to the epidermises. It's very light. It's actually very clear. And you can see also the slight turbids or flocculent growth as well at the very bottom. But it's very, very clear compared to the Cerevisiae. And here, I also have the E. coli, and this one absolutely has growth at the very bottom. It appears to be almost kind of like a very, like a little sponge down there. That's what I see it as. So I believe you can also say this is a flocculent growth in the E. coli inside of nutrient broth after 48 hours. Now, after this part here, we went ahead and took our little dishes and we poured, we went ahead and melted the agar and we poured them into these dishes, and then with a blue little loop, we dipped it in our nutrients here, the Cerevisiae, the E. coli, and the epidermises, and we went ahead and spread it in the agar. Well, I didn't get much. I was actually rather disappointed with the E. coli. I can count the specks, 1, 2, 3, 4, that appear to be tiny little colonies. I don't know if it's because maybe I broke the agar, but you can see there's 1, and then 2, 3, and 4 up here. So that was my result after 48 hours of incubation for my E. coli. Then I have the Cerevisiae, which actually I was very excited because you can see where I went ahead and scratched the surface there with it, and it lit up. I also can see some specks here, which I believe they're called colonies there, and that was very cool to see. I also have the epidermitis. This one was a complete letdown because I didn't get much, and as you can see, I did go ahead and scratch that surface with a little loop. I don't know, they were all put in at the same time, so that was my result for this nutrient broth with the culturing of the microbes. So that is my result for part 2 of my week 2 assignment. Have a good night.